smoking the good evening pack. Scored again, ole, ole. Emery again. Emery again, ole, ole. How many more times, Roth? How many more times does Unai Emery pull this manager, this Lego head's panties down and smack his bottom? How many more times? Watch it, drink it in, lads. You'll never see anything like this ever again. Imagine getting schooled by your former manager. Again. Multiple clubs, by the way. Done it with Villarreal. Done it with Aston Villa. Embarrassing. Smash the like button, guys. The I told you so pack. But Saliba was out injured. Okay, cool. Why didn't Kivior play him? But Timber can play there. Okay, cool. So we'll just play our best midfielder at right back who had a calamity in the second half. Going well, isn't it? Yeah, the only attacking option on the bench other than reserve players under 21s or whatever that have never kicked ball for the first team in a Premier League game in forward positions was Raheem the Dream, who's struggling with a crisis of confidence. Cool. I'm pretty sure if I got paid 300 grand a week, mate, I'd be king of the walk, cock of the walk, bruv. That's crisis of confidence. How about paying 300 quid a week? Then he's got no pressure and he might play better, innit? All he did when he came on was get booked. Absolute waster. Cancel his loan. I said this last time. But anyway, bless up to the 100,000 people that watched the watch along and just came to see my demise. Bless up to everyone who's subbed. Literally about 100 away. In fact, let me check right now. 135 away from 114k. Big up Expressions, because he loves to wind me up on this one. Don't forget to sub to Lee Reacts. We hit 35k on there. And I will be back there tomorrow for some watch-alongs. Hala Madrid against Las Palmas. We will be there. So make sure you check that out as well. Emergency meetings coming after the next 3 fan cams after this one. Kenny wasted just another cold, freezing night in North London to watch us bottle a 2-0 lead. Good here, isn't it? But we were robbed. We weren't robbed, mate. It was handball. I don't want to hear no chat about refs ever again after the last 2 games before this. Man United and Spurs. I don't want to hear no referee chat, mate. Nah. Corner again, ole. Let's talk about our goalkeeper. Let's start with the goalkeeper. Well, he was better than the goalkeeper down the other end today, to be fair. Although they both conceded twice. Yeah. Kicking again, pretty woeful. Always out of his goal. You're not Neuer, mate. Stay in your goal. Yeah, because you nearly got lobbed from Ollie Watkins. Let's go to Skelly. One of our better players, but again. Where was you for Cash crossing the ball, bruv? Is what it is. Listen, he's learning a new role. Yeah, he's a number 8. We'll get to our number 8 in a minute. Yeah, he's not a left back. We had a competent left back on the bench in Kieran Tierney. But no, we'll play Skelly there from a number 8 position, which is cool. You're going to live and die on these decisions, bruv. And it ain't a diss at Skelly, by the way, because I actually think he's pretty good. Yeah, and I think he actually played all right. Yeah, it weren't great, but he actually played all right. And he put a great ball into Trossard in the last minute. And Trossard missed. Is what it is. Fine margins, guys. Fine margins, guys. Thomas Partey. It was Thomas Partey in the first half because I actually thought he was brilliant in the first half. However, second half, it was Thomas Funeral. Thomas Funeral, second half. Thomas Partey. Do. Shut up, man. Thomas Funeral settings in the second half, mate. He was awful second half. Gabriel. Give this guy the armband, please. Although it was him that kept Ollie Watkins on side. Barca just missed a sitter. Wow. How's Lewandowski missed? It's 1-1 with Hatafe. Give him the armband. Just give him the armband, mate. That is our captain right there. Yeah, that is actually our captain. He's our best defender. Has been since the Qatar World Cup. And he's our best attacker. Who fucking knew? Crazy. Give him the armband. Timber, I don't want to see you at centre back again, please. No thanks. Not for me. Not for me. Bye-bye. Go back to right back. Not for me. Midfield, Declan Rice. One-man midfield today. One-man midfield today, mate. Yeah, it wasn't your best performance. Let's not try and gas it and hype it up because he weren't outstanding, was he? But, however, one-man midfield. One-man midfield. So well done to you, mate. Yeah, I'm not going to get on your case today. But at the same time, yeah, this comes back to poor planning in the summer. This comes back to a dead transfer window. This comes back to wanting a 22-man squad. Do not give this guy any more fucking money, mate. Coach your way out of this shit show you've put us in. Oh, but we got injuries. The only 2 injuries we have, by the way, that are first-team players, yeah, are literally Saliba today and Saka. Because the rest of them are squad rotational players. But don't worry, guys, we've got an injury crisis. Okay, cool. What phase is Iriola in then? Because he's got 9 players out. And they went up to Newcastle and done something we haven't done in how many years? Cool. Say less. Let's go to Mikel Merino. Deport him. Real talk. What is he good at? Apart from modelling the merch. Oh, he's got a nice jawline. Fuck off. The only reason we signed that guy is his name's Mikel. He was trash at Sociedad and he's trash at Arsenal. The guy does nothing. He's rubbish. Yeah. Oh, but he had the shot that led to a goal that was disallowed. Nobody cares. Rubbish. Captain Fantastic. Gibraltar guard. Strip him of the captain's armband and sell him this window. Sell him. I've been telling you for the longest, yeah. This guy is shit. I don't want to hear it. Oh, but what? He is trash, bruv. I've seen proper footballers at this football club. He ain't it. He ain't it. Brushed aside like a little boy. Move, bitch. Get out the way. Get out the way, bitch. Get out the way. This guy is a scrub. Get out the way. And take your bullshit PR and snot hair flicks and arm waves with you. Martinelli. I actually thought he played well today. Nothing fantastic. However, the movement for his goal was very good. Obviously, Maatsen was ball watching. I actually thought he was very good today. He wasn't amazing, like I said. Yeah, but he was one of our better players today. Yeah. On the other side, Trossard set up both goals. Didn't think he was outstanding today. However, I thought he was our best player today. Yeah, him and Declan Rice, I'd say were probably our best 2 players today. They were probably our best 2 players today. Yeah, Trossard, yeah, 2 nice crosses into the box. Runs highestly, the same as Martinelli. Yeah, but obviously Martinelli got the goal. Trossard put it on the plate. Great movement. The second goal, obviously Trossard put it on the plate for 29. Shocking goalkeeping for both of them, by the way. But let's talk about the tranquilized donkey we have up front, the German. Oh, but we were robbed. It wasn't handball. His arm was down by his side, bruv. It went in the back of the net. It's getting cancelled. Like, what are we doing here? The fact that they weren't shamelessly celebrating it either, yeah, tells you they knew, innit? Yeah, get him gone as well. Get that guy gone, bruv. Why was he assisting Ollie Watkins playing a centre-back in our penalty box for their equaliser, second equaliser? Why? Why was he there? Why are you, as our striker, literally the last man other than Gabriel who played everyone on side? Make this shit make sense. And then Raheem the Dream. Confidence in crisis, confidence in crisis. Bruv, I'll tell you what, yeah? Weigh me in the money. I'll send you my bank details, mate. Weigh me your 300 bags next week or this week. Yeah? And I swear down, I would take a confidence in crisis, bruv. Do you know what we've got? We got a confidence in crisis as fans. Do you know why? 21 years in coming, mate. Yeah, and you're moaning, oh, confidence in crisis. Fuck off. Yeah, pay me 300 grand a week. Yeah, and I'll be walking around windmilling around the streets, bruv. You know what I'm saying? Piss off. Sick to death of it. Our manager today got booked. We see more, of the set piece coach than we did of our manager on the touchline today. Fuck him off as well. I'm sick of seeing him. Get this done. I am sick of it. We have won 1 out of our last 4 home games. We've been knocked out of the FA Cup on penalties. We beat top Spurs, standard, they're shit. We drew with Good Ebening, who scores us pretty much every time he plays us, especially at home. And we are 2-0 down to Newcastle after the first leg. End this facade today. And now he's going to probably sit in his press conference as I'm recording this, waffling about margins, guys. Fine margins, guys. Fine margins. I'll tell you fine margins, mate. Fine margins. The only 2 players that are getting this team, that are first teamers, that are out injured, are Saliba today. Because, again, you've overplayed him because you don't trust Kivior. Yeah, real talk. Yeah, and Saka, who you're now saying, go on holiday. Go on holiday. Yeah, go with your girlfriend or your mum or your family or friends. Go on your own. Yeah, you need a break. Why didn't you give him a break in 2 years? Fuck him off, mate. I'm sick of this geezer. Nah, it's done, mate. It's done. Kenny Ken up next. I'm sure he's freezing his bollocks off outside the ground. Jezza, Matty, emergency meeting. Miguel's going to join us. DJB, Matty, and I'll see if I can get North on as well. Yeah, we're out. Yeah, make sure you sub to the channel, sub to Lee Reacts. Bless up to everyone who's locked in. How many more times have we got to do this, mate? It's boring. Corner again, ole, ole. Yeah, corners and set pieces. Fuck off. Sack him. We're out. Cronky out.